This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
So this is what it looks like. You can bend this metal piece or move this metal piece to lock it in place. Hello everyone, how are you guys doing today? So most of us have a garden hose nozzle that is just like this. You got your standard different modes on here, but times are changing. We no longer need that anymore. Today we're going to be reviewing an all metal garden hose nozzle. It can be adjusted by twisting the nozzle here. But let's go ahead and test it out because I know that's what you guys are waiting for. So don't mind the leak, that's just our, we need to put a washer in here so it stops leaking. That's on our end. This hose isn't the best, but so if you turn it the whole way one way, you can't do anything. But here you can see, so there you got your spray mist, and as we open up the valve inside, it becomes bigger, and eventually you can turn it into a straight jet. So the more you turn it, then you have that straight jet. And you guys can see probably how far we can spray that. It goes pretty far. Hopefully you guys can see that. Now I don't know if there's a safety to stop it from, as you're turning it, to stop it. For example, like as you're turning this, I don't know if there's a safety stop. We're actually going to test that out here just to see. Okay, so you get to a point where it turns really easy. That's where you stop. But again, you have all these different modes, all by twisting it. So you can pick whatever you want by just twisting this. So overall, it's pretty cool.